Guys, for today's video, napansin ko kasi nung gumawa ako ng video about SPay Later to Cash na ginamit yung Maya Business, marami nag-message sa akin na gumagana rin po yan sa Home Credit Kwarta. Okay, so naisip ko, wala pa namang review about Home Credit Kwarta. Ano ba tong Home Credit Kwarta na to? Well, samahan nyo ako pag-usapan natin yan. Discover natin kung ano nga ba tong Home Credit Kwarta na to. So sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience. Ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so just to tell you the truth lang wala akong utang with home credit. So kung tatanungin nyo kung may experience ba ako with home credit, sasabihin ko na sa inyo right now, wala. However, pwede naman nating tingnan yung mga ino-offer ni Home Credit. And tingnan nga natin yung feedback ng ibang user ng Home Credit Kwarta. Okay, so check muna natin yung Home Credit Kwarta. Punta tayo sa website nila. Okay, so Home Credit Kwarta. Ayan. Pay your bills using Kwarta by Home Credit Philippines. Use Kwarta by Home Credit to buy load. Ayan, pang load daw. Settle bills and scan to pay. And more. Start paying with Kwarta when you buy from our partner merchants nationwide. Okay, so pang buy load daw to, pang bills at saka scan to pay. Okay, so dito sa scan to pay, so dito nag-message yung iba't ibang mga viewers ko about converting Home Credit Kwarta into cash. Hindi ko siya mapapakita sa inyo ngayon guys dahil wala namang Home Credit Kwarta. Pero kung meron daw kayong Home Credit Kwarta, check nyo yung video ko about SPay Later, which is ito. Yung process is just the same. Gawa kayo ng Maya Business account. Once na upgraded na yung Maya Business account nyo, upgraded means nag-attach kayo ng valid ID at saka nag-selfie kayo. Tapos hintayin nyo maging upgraded for level 2 yan. Pag level 2 na yung Maya Business account nyo, yun, gamitin nyo na daw yung Home Credit Kwarta nyo. I-scan nyo yung QR ng Maya Business nyo. And then, i-enter nyo yung amount sa home credit nyo. And then, ibayad nyo yung amount. Tapos, malilipat yan sa Maya Business. From Maya Business, dahil meron na kayong transfer, pwede nyo na yan i-transfer sa inyong Maya personal account o kaya mag-bank transfer sa inyong bank account. Okay. Pero, let's move past that. At least nakapagbigay na ako sa inyo ng quick info on how to convert Home Credit Kwarta to cash. Okay, let's move on. Araw-araw na ang tipid with Kwarta. Talaga daw ba? Okay, get 3% discounts about reload. Okay, di naman nakaka-attract yun. Pay your bills with app 300 billers. Enjoy 5% rebate for your payments via QR scan. 5% of total purchase up to 300 max. Uy, okay to kasi nag-scan ka na. Convert mo na yung Home Credit Kwarta mo. Mabibigyan ka pa ng up to 300 pesos na rebate. O, di ba? So, bali ito yung app interface ni Kwarta. So, makikita nyo dyan yung account number and expiry date and then yung available spending limit nyo. So, get a loan and enjoy Kwarta instant approval with up to 10,000 spending limit daw. Bundle up your product installment with Home Credit Kwarta, just visit our sales associate assistants. So, for you to get Kwarta, actually, binibigay sa mga customer na ni Home Credit, yung mga nag-avail ng mga appliance. Pag meron na yan at good payer kayo with Home Credit, pwede na kayo mag-apply ng Home Credit Kwarta. So, kung i-compare ko siya with other loan service na sa market, pwede siya maging G-Credit, pwede rin siyang i-compare kay Maya Credit, yun. So, basically, para siyang revolving credit na electronic. Yun nga, ginagamit lang pang scan, yung ganun. And, ang interest rate ni Home Credit Kwarta ay lang daw, 0.13% per day. So, kung i-calculate natin yan, 0.13% per day times 365 days, nasa 47.45% per annum. Kung kukunin natin yung monthly add-on interest rate niya, divided by 12, nasa around 3.95% lang. So, medyo okay naman siya. Mas mataas ng konti. Mas mataas ng almost 1% with credit card. Bali sa 1,000 pesos daw na nagamit mo, chargean ka lang ng 1 peso and 30 centavos na interest. Isa sa kinagandahan pa ni Home Credit Kwarta, meron siyang minimum amount due. So, kung hindi mo naman kayang bayaran lahat, you can settle by paying yung minimum amount due lang. So, parang credit card din, parang si G-Credit. Parang ganon. Kung i-compare mo siya sa Maya Credit versus Home Credit Kwarta, mas okay si Home Credit Kwarta kasi may minimum amount due. Kay Maya Credit, kunyari, ginamit mo yung 10,000 na credit mo, well, 10,000 plus yung kailangan mong bayaran kay Maya Credit. Whereas kay Home Credit, kung medyo nagigipit-gipit ka, well, pwede ka muna magbayad ng minimum amount due. And syempre, yung na-discuss na natin na converting Home Credit Kwarta into cash, well, that's one of the good feature ni Home Credit Kwarta. Sana nakapagbigay ako ng additional information sa inyo about Home Credit Kwarta. You might want to check with Home Credit Associate para makapag-apply if you want to. Pero kung tatanungin nyo kung okay ba to, well, if we compare kasi yung around 47.45%, and kung compare natin siya sa loan services na ni-review natin, so nandito siya sa tabi ni Last Pay Later, S-Pay Later, at saka ni Pure Gold Personal Loan. So at around 47%. Yan. So okay na rin versus sa mga online lending apps na medyo matataas talaga ang interest rate. Okay, for our question of the day. Since si Home Credit Kwarta ay gumagamit ng PayQR, so gusto kong malaman sa inyo how acceptable na sa inyo ang paggamit ng QR. Hindi natin maaalis sa karamihan na meron talagang older generation, pero kahit naman yung mga older generation is marunong nang gumamit ng QR. Gusto ko lang malaman yung pulso ng nakararami. Madalas nyo bang ginagamit yung QR? How confident are you paying using QR? And let me know how convenient it is for you using QR. Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And syempre, huwag nyo kalimutan maglagay ng hashtag Road to 100k sub para sa chance yung manalo ng cellphone sa ating monthly cellphone giveaway until we reach the 100k subscriber milestone. At syempre, hintayin nyo, may pa-surprise ako once we reach the 100k subscribers. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at @zlesmar. Sabi niya, thank you very much sir. Pwede na magamit. Nag-iisip talaga ako kung saan pwedeng magamit ito. I think Atomic Card to. At @zlesmar, shoutout po sa inyo at maraming salamat din po sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala rin problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto, and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!